You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these three words, the different forms of the verb to sing. Sing is the standard form of the verb. Sing, S-I-N-G, is a spelling. Now, the past tense is pronounced in British English as sang. Sang. The American English pronunciation here for the past tense of sing is sang. Now, the past participle form is sung. Sung. British English and American English are similar here. Sung. So, let's go through again. If you want to learn more English, make sure to stay tuned. We've got more videos coming up for you. Sing, sang, sung. Sing, sang, sung. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.